Find three irrational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. How many they are asking? Three irrational numbers. So, between these two we will find one first. So, half of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. That is equal to half of LCM is 10. 2 goes 5 times. 5 ones are 5 plus 5 goes 2 times. 2 threes are 6. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 by 10. That is equal to 1 11 is 11. 2 tens are 20. So we got 1 by 2 comma 11 by 20 comma 3 by 5. How many they are asking to find? 3, but we got only 1. 2 more we need. So between these two you find 1 and between those two you find 1. So here 1 by 2, that is equal to half of 1 by 2 plus 11 by 20. That is equal to half of 20 is LCM. For 2 and 20, 20 is LCM. 2 goes 10 times. 110 is 10 plus 20 goes in 20, 1 time. 111 is 11. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 plus 11 is 21 by 20. Now multiply. 121 is 21. 2 20s are 40. Coming to the next, between these two, that is equal to half of 11 by 20 plus 3 by 5. Are you able to follow? Now, that is equal to half of, again 20 will be the LCM. 20 goes in 20 one time. 111 is 11 plus 5 goes in 20 4 times. 4 3s are 12. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 plus 12, 23 by 20. So, that is equal to 123 is 23 by 2 20s are 40. Now they are asking, find 3. What are the 3? 11 by 20, 21 by 40, 23 by 40 are the 3 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Write that word. Therefore, 11 by 20, 21 by 40, 23 by 40 are the 3 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. That is the conclusion. Hi students, here you have to write in order. First 21 by 40 will come, comma, then 11 by 20, then here you will get 23. Finding one thing, and because in between these two, 21 by 40, next 11 by 20, again in this between these two you will get 23 by 40. So in writing you have to see in order. First, second, third, fourth, and this one will be the fifth one. Fifth problem, fourth bit. Find 3 rational numbers between 2 1 by 3 and 3 2 by 3. First of all, it is in mixed fraction. We are going to change into improper fraction. 3 to 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, 7 by 3, and 3 3 is 9, 11 by 3. Now in between these two we are going to find a rational number. So half of 7 by 3 plus 11 by 3. These two are like fractions we call, when denominators are same, like fractions. So 1 by 2, automatic 3 will be the LCM. 7 plus 11 direct. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 plus 11 is 18 by 3. Here 3 goes 6 times and this 2 goes 3 times. So 1 3 is 3. Sir, 3 is a rational number. 3 by 1. 3 is a rational number. Now 7 by 3 comma 3 comma 11 by 3. Two more we have to find. In between 7 by 3 and 3, 1 we have to find. 3 comma, between these two, 3 comma 11 by 3, 1 more we have to find. Now half of 7 by 3 plus 3, that is equal to half of 3 LCM. 7 plus 3 3 is 9, that is equal to half of 16. 7 plus 9 is 16 by 3. Here 2 goes 8 times. So 8 by 3 we got. Where in between these two, keep in mind. So this should come first. Then afterwards 3 should come. Okay. Next. Half of 3 plus 11 by 3. That is equal to half of 3 will be the LCM. 3 3 is 9 plus 11. That is equal to half of 9 plus 11 is 20 by 3. 2 goes 10 times. So 10 by 3. Now while writing in order, you have to write first. So 7 by 3, after this one will come. So therefore 8 by 3 comma 3 comma 10 by 3 are the 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers between what? Between 2 1 by 3 and 3 2 by 3. Are you able to follow? These are the rational numbers we got. Find the 3 rational numbers between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So between these two, half of minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 fours 12 will be the LCM. 3 goes 4 times. So minus 4, 1 4 is 4, plus 4 goes 3 times. 1 3 is 3. That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 12, because minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 by 12. Plus into minus, minus 1 1s are 1, 2 12s are 24. So now we got minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1 by 24 comma 1 by 4. We got only one rational number. Still 2 more, because 3 they are asking. So half of minus 1 by 3 plus of minus 1 by 24. Then here the bracket changes. Square brackets, because already inside one bracket came now. So square brackets. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus into minus minus 1 by 24. that is equal to 1 by 2 into, here 24 is LCM. For 3 and 24, 24, 3 goes 8 times. So 3 goes 8 times, minus 8 minus 24 goes in 24, 1 time, 1 ones are 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 8 and minus 1 is minus 9. Minus 9 by 24. 3 table cancels. 3 goes 3 times. 3 goes 8 times. So plus into minus, minus. 1 3 is 3. 2 8s are 16. So in between these two we got minus 3 by 16. Coming to the next. Half of minus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 4. Now here also 24 LCM. For 4 and 24, 24. 4 goes 6 times. So minus 6. Here 4 goes. Here 24 goes in 24 one time. So minus 1. Here 4 goes 6 times. 1 6 6 6. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 24. There is no common table. 1 5 is 5. 2 24s are 48. So therefore, conclusion. Therefore, what are the three rational numbers? Minus 3 by 16, minus 1 by 24, comma 5 by 48 are the three rational numbers. Three rational numbers. Three rational numbers between what numbers? Minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Able to follow clearly? Seventh problem. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Another model I will do. If you want to do that model, you can also do half of 3 plus 4, like that you can do. But easy method, one more easy method. Solution given A is 3. What? A is 3. Think B is equal to 4. And how many rational numbers? N means number of rationals. How many? 6. D means difference. What is the formula means? B minus A by N plus 1. This formula comes in progressions chapter. Next year in 10th class you can learn. D is equal to B minus A by N plus 1. 4 minus 3 by 6 plus 1. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 how much you know? You are going to divide. 0.7 ones are 7. 3 remaining. So 1 decimal enough. 0.1. Are you able to follow? Now how many they are asking to find? 6. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A plus 6D. These are the formulas in progressions you will be learning. A means 3. D means what you got. So 3 plus 0.1. That is equal to 3.1. 3 plus 2 into 0.1. That is equal to 3 plus 0.2. That is equal to 3.2. Next. 3 plus 3 into 0.1. 3 plus 0.3. That is equal to 3.3. Next. 3 plus 4 into 0.1. 3 plus 0.4. That is equal to 3.4. Easy way. 3 plus 5 into 0.1. 3 plus 0.5. That is equal to 3.5. Next, 3 plus 6 into 0.1. 3 plus 0.6. That is equal to 3.6. They are asking to find 6 rational numbers. We got 6 rational. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Are you able to follow? This is a way of doing.